Welcome to 161 Crimson Queen Drive. This lovely 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 2-car garage, comfort front porch, and screened back porch. It's located in the gated Cobblestone Park subdivision in Blythewood. Convenient to Northeast Columbia amenities, I-77, Fort Jackson, as well as quick commute to downtown or to Columbia. So we're out front. You can see the home has a 2-car wide driveway leading up to the 2-car garage. You have a covered front porch here as you enter as well. Nice glass inlay in the front door. You enter into the home into the formal dining room, which has hardwood flooring or laminate hardwood flooring. That's in here. It's in the half bathroom and also the family room as well. So you can see you have nice high ceilings and nice wainscoting on the wall in the formal dining. It's a nice sized room as well. And then it passes through on the right side here to the kitchen. So off the kitchen you have a pantry, nice walk-in pantry, stainless steel appliances and granite countertops in the kitchen itself. You have a side-by-side refrigerator, 5-burner gas range, above range microwave, center island, and also the dishwasher on this side. Kitchen window over the sink. And you can see everything is open to the family room on this side. You have access via the sliding door here as well to the outdoor space, which has a nice screened in back porch, which covers the patio. And then you can see out to the yard beyond. And then back inside, again, the family room. You have a ceiling fan and gas log fireplace in the corner there. Also built-in wiring and everything for the for a TV above the fireplace. Between this area off of the entry, you also do have the half bathroom. So you have single vanity in there, and then access to the 2-car garage is here. You can see briefly inside, and also some some stairs, some storage space beneath the stairs before you go up as well. Nice wrought iron spindles or sort of metal detail spindles on the stairs as you go up as well. Carpeting starts here, and then you get to the second level, which is nice and spacious. You have the master or the primary bedroom suite here, which has vaulted ceilings. Really nice sized room, faces the front of the house. Plenty of space for whatever kind of furniture you may have in here. And then the bathroom, of course, has double vanity. You have a garden tub, separate shower, and then a nice sized walk-in closet here as well. And then we'll just continue on around this way. So we have a laundry room here. Also, full-size washer dryer connections. And it does have some linen cabinet space here as well. Another bedroom that faces the front of the home with its own walk-in closet. I do believe all the bedrooms in here have walk-ins. Attic pull down with some possible storage space. You have your second full bathroom, again with the double sinks and shower and tub. And then last but not least, your final 2 bedrooms. And you can see this one faces the rear of the house, as does the last one. You can see a nice size walk-in closet there. And then last but not least, bedroom number 4. So nice spacious home here in Blythewood at 161 Crimson Queen Drive. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.